was at our friend Hannah's house yesterday, and she took her to build a bear, and they got her that unicorn. It's the cutest thing.
Oh, oh no. Who is it? Oh. Oh.
Welcome everyone. In case you're new, my name is Lynette. Nick actually just took the kids to school this morning, which is nice. I can get some things done. And Oakland is going over to my mom's for the day, so that helps me out. I have some errands to run and things like that. I thought I would bring you along today, but also I figured I would just put in some footage of Oakland's birthday party the other night. She has a birthday today, but we wanted to have the party before some of my family left, so we had it a little early. And the footage wasn't enough to do like a whole vlog or anything, so I was like, well, I'll just put it in here. You guys would enjoy it. I just find it so hard to believe that it's a year already. I was kind of reminiscing. We are just so thankful for her and what she's added to our life. So anyway, I thought I would just put in some footage and then catch up with you after that. She's been laughing at these decorations. Do you love it? Oh. Oh, wow. This is so nice. You want them, huh? Oh, I'm gonna get you. Gonna get you. Wild hair and all. Careful, babe. What is it? Oh. What is it? Oh. Wow. Look, you gotta leave that till a little later.
She wants it.
Oh, she still wants the football. Okay.
Oh, she wants the paint real bad.
Need a hard kiss. Wow, what is, oh dear. There's the master baker.
Oh my.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Oakland. Happy birthday to you.
What happened to the harmony again?
None of ours were like big cake smashers. Oh, there goes the balloon.
Yummy. Yummy. Good job.
Good job. Wipe your hands. Elsa.
So this is what we are fulfilling. Come on. Oh, yummy. Come on.
Get ready to smack that.
So good. Yes, we Good job.
Okay.
She's done.
All right. One more. That's all she wrote.
Can I have your money?
Okay. This is for me. I picked it out myself. Say bye, guys. It's very loud. Oh, sing it. Wow. Thought I would fill you in what is happening today. I'm getting ready to make a smoothie. I mentioned running some errands. I might do that. I have been meaning to go. I need to go to a couple different places. I actually want to go to the thrift store possibly. I also should probably stop in at the Beneva Palms flip house sometime today. Nick is going to be over there later. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I mentioned it in a previous chat video, so you could go watch that if you want. But yeah, we're doing a 3,000 square foot flip house and we're kind of in charge of that. So my smoothies usually aren't all the same. This morning I am using the teeny greens, as I have talked about quite a bit already, and I have the little mix-it blender here, and this thing is super awesome. It's got a like glass, this is like a glass container, and it's perfect for like one person. And this is essentially a to-go container. You can take it with you. It's also chargeable via USB, so you could plug it in like a phone charger. You could make smoothies, you could do like baby food. I did that a couple times, whatever you really want, but it's just a nice size. I'm gonna use their greens superfood, as I mentioned. This has about 16 different superfoods in each scoop. You can mix it with water, juice, smoothies, porridge, just to name a few. It has like matcha, spirulina, wheatgrass in it. And I know that I don't get enough veggies in my diet, that's for sure. And this is one way I can supplement them. I like it and use it, and I want to thank Teamy for sponsoring the video today. I've been working with them for a while. They have a discount code for you guys. It's Lynette 15 for 15% off of your order. Go check out the link in the description box if you're curious. And I'm gonna go ahead and make my smoothie. And I usually just use like berries, mixture, whatever I feel like. This one is like a wild berry mixture. I have some yogurt, and typically I use some kind of juice. I had this cranberry that I guess someone opened, and I think I'm gonna try that. I don't know how that'll be. It might, I guess we'll find out. And then I have some, yeah, regular, just some fresh berries that need to be used anyway, so that's generally what I put in mine. It's actually really good. It's a little runny this morning. And I'm so bad at like getting the right amounts of juice in there, so I didn't have enough, so then I had to add more, because sometimes like some of the frozen stuff wants to like clump together. I like the cranberry juice in there, so that's a good other way that I can make it. So anyway, I will try to work on that thing and take you guys with me. All right, I'm headed into Goodwill. I want to look for a few things for my shelves in the bedroom and just kind of browse. I haven't been in there in a little bit, so I'm gonna go see if I find anything. Done in there. I didn't spend terribly much time in there, which is actually abnormal for me, but I was trying to make it pretty quick. But feel pretty good about the stash I got of like vases and stuff. But I am needing some things for the house, so I'm gonna head up to university, and I'm also getting hungry, so I might grab something to eat. Okay, I am done running my errands, and I came over here to the house, the flip house. I'm gonna see what they're up to. I think they were getting ready to start on the second bathroom demo, so I may show you around a little bit inside, and then I need to go get the boys in about, I don't know, half an hour or so. I'm glad to see you're actually wearing a mask today.
Yeah, it's dusty. It's a dusty trail.
Unreal.
I ate too much for lunch.
You did. What did you eat?
Firehouse subs. Beef. Brisket.
Of course.
Here in the master bathroom here, I was kind of suspicious there was leakage because the outside, which would be the hall going back, they had wainscoting on the outside. And we took that wainscoting off and it was all kinds of fake holes in the drywall.
Unbelievable. So
No.
just go right over top of it. That is loud and dusty in there, but they are making lots of progress. There she is.
Who do I see? There she is. What? Oh, is it the monkey? The monkey. Thank you. How's the birthday girl?
Hey, good as gold.
Good as gold. Okay. You have a nice blanket on this cold day.
We had a little bit of park. And,
You went to the park today.
oh, yes, we did.
Oh my goodness. It is literally
we just went-
miserable.
Just with the golf cart and just over for a little while.
But do you think it feels like 59 or 60 degrees? No, it's
cold.
colder. It feels like it.
From Florida.
Very much. Can you pick up your toys? I put in a really big order at Postal over there
Oh,
because the boys are all at the house. Calvin and Nick are over there working. He said to bring his two boys over, so they're over there. And then I said something about getting coffee, and it kind of escalated from there.
sounds
Like
good.
5 smoothies.
Oh, wow, I bet they're glad.
So, anyway. Okay, babes. So I got a new rug at Home Goods today, but I don't think I like it. And I kind of forgot that the ones that are kind of similar colored to the floor, I don't really care for. So I'll either return it. It's actually a Laloy rug, which I have 2 others in my house. This one was $19.99. So I'll either save it or I'll just return it. It is really pretty. I like it. Okay, so here are a couple of the things I got at Goodwill. I actually broke one of the small vases. The smallest one I got, I would have actually not even had to paint it, I don't think. And it was so sad. It rolled out of the back of the car when I opened the trunk. But these are all gonna be painted with like the baking soda and paint thing. I just get some sample cans of paint. This little dish I'm just gonna leave. I thought it was cute. It's like a tan pottery piece. So all of them were $2.99, except for the one in the back was $3.99. Yeah, I'm excited to paint these. I thought this one was a really cute shape. I will probably do this in another video, I'm guessing, but I wanted to show you what I got. And I also got a bag of dinosaurs and some other animals mixed in. It was a really big bag for about $5.99. I actually gave half of the bag to one of my friends who has a little boy. And then I got something very random. This is just like printer paper. So that's my haul. I'm gonna get some stuff put away and I'll start dinner in a little bit. I actually got a Home Chef box delivered today, which is really fun for me because right now I feel like I have no inspiration for cooking and I'm busy enough that I don't really have the urge to, so I ordered one again for this week and I'll see what we're getting. I don't even remember what I ordered, so I'm happy about a meal for tonight. No, I did it. So nice. Miss Jody Lynn Hutchinson gave her this. I didn't check my P.O. box right away, so she got it just the other day. She already ripped this thing off, but I glued it back on. It's so cute. I think she thrifted it. Thank you so much, Jody, if you're watching. It's singing, "Oh Come All Ye Faithful." But I also wanted to say thank you guys for all of you who sent cards and notes and pictures and everything. I got a big stack of stuff in the mail the other day in my P.O. box. And I am just thankful for each one of you, and thank you for doing that. It really means a lot. So, what'd you do in school today?
Fun stuff.
Did you learn anything new?
Yeah. I have a paper to do.
Oh yeah. Mmm. I'm getting him to help me hang this big picture up here on the stairway. Actually, I thought I'd use it in our room. Kind of wanted to use it there, but I also want to use it on the stairs, so I kind of just had to decide. So it's big enough that I don't want to try and do it myself. Alright, I thought I would show you guys in the daytime since the lighting is really wonky at night. This is actually a really big picture and it's not really showing up scale-wise, but I like it. The only problem, the thing that bothers me is they did not hang this light in the center and we just didn't mess with it when we put in the new light fixtures. We just decided to leave it because we had to make new hole and patch and everything, so we just left it, but does kind of bother me. Like, why wouldn't you have installed it in the middle of the wall? Probably because they wanted to be by a stud or something, I'm guessing. But anyway, I like it. I'll go closer so you guys can see it. I know it might not be everyone's style, but that's okay. I like it very much. I am going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed tagging along. Also, make sure to check out the description box for Teamy Blends if you want to try out their Mix It Blender or the greens or anything like that. I will leave it down below. So, thank you all so much for watching. And if you're new, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys!